Let me share something quick and simple with you today. There's a link in the description, and it leads to a product that genuinely impressed me. The performance is smooth, the design is solid, and the user experience is extremely easy and intuitive. No unnecessary steps, no complicated setup. It just works the way you want it to. What makes it stand out is how much better it performs than you'd expect. It delivers real value and a surprisingly high level of quality. If you want something reliable and worth your time, click the link below and check it out for yourself. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Before you keep scrolling, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description. You're going to want to remember this. This product has become incredibly popular because it checks all the boxes. Smooth performance? Yes. Strong, well-built design? Yes. Easy to understand and use? Let me share something quick and simple with you today. There's a link in the description,